This isn't magic, it's science in action. A metal needle that sticks to a magnet loses all its pull after being heated by a flame. Heat breaks its magnetic order, and the needle falls. Mix 3 parts sand, 2 parts starch, and 1 part soapy water. Add a splash of color, and you've made your very own space sand. Soft, safe, and super satisfying. Drop an ice cube into water, place a string across it, sprinkle some salt, and wait. Now lift the string. The ice comes up with it. Set a tray on a glass. Place a toilet paper roll and an egg on top. Give the tray a quick tap and watch the egg land perfectly inside the cup. Punch a hole in a bottle cap, stick in a straw, seal it with gum, add some baking soda and color, then drop it in water. Suddenly, it becomes a tiny jet engine. Cut a piece of paper into a spiral, hang it over a burning candle, and as the warm air rises, the spiral begins to spin endlessly, like a dancing ribbon in the air. Science doesn't just explain the world, it enchants it. Cut off the root of a celery stalk, place it in water, and once it sprouts, plant it in soil. Haha! Soon you'll have endless celery growing right at home. Drop a frozen strawberry into super cooled water and watch as ice forms instantly around it. That's the secret of water turning to ice in a blink. Warm up your mom's new lipstick just a bit, let the drops fall into water, each one blossoms like a vivid red rose. Tie a thin thread around a toothbrush head. Threading a needle suddenly becomes effortless. Drop a little ink on the tip of a leaf, place it in water, and it starts gliding like a mini engine-powered boat. And when you bend memory metal, then dip it into water, it instantly snaps back into shape. That's science showing us its magic in everyday life, because truly, science is everywhere. Dip a straw into soapy water, place a small loop on top, and with one gentle tap, the loop instantly forms a perfect circle. Place a mirror in a bowl, pour in some water, and shine a flashlight. You'll see 7 brilliant colors dancing on the surface. Pour some oil and water into a cup, add a few drops of coloring, and drop in a fizzy tablet. A miniature underwater volcano bursts to life before your eyes. Coat a bamboo skewer with oil, push it through a balloon, and to your surprise, it never pops. Peel an orange and squeeze. The juice inside is so powerful, it can even extinguish a flame. And if you place a candle in a bowl of water and light it, it keeps burning brightly without going out. Science isn't just about formulas. It's about discovering the magic hidden in everyday life. Stick a piece of tape on a water-filled balloon, poke a hole right in the center, the water shoots out but looks completely still. That's the power of laminar flow. Place a small balloon inside a syringe. Push the plunger slowly, and you'll see it beat just like a real heart. Look at this chicken. No matter how you move its body, the head stays perfectly still. That's balance and stabilization in nature. Pour water into a glass in front of an arrow, and suddenly, the arrow flips direction. A perfect example of light refraction. Drop a coin into water and it sinks right down. But bend a paperclip carefully, and using the surface tension of water, you can make the coin float. Mix milk with cola and let it sit. After a while, the cola turns clear and leaves strange sediments behind. Chemistry quietly doing its magic. Cut a fast food container in half, rub one side with a towel, then press the 2 halves back to back. They cling to each other, held by static electricity. Real science, real wonder, not just on screens, but right in your hands. Slide copper wires through the holes of 2 needle tips, connect them to a battery, and with a gentle bend, the needles heat up like a tiny electric pen. Place a battery with strong magnets on both ends inside a copper coil and watch it travel through on its own, like a miniature train powered only by electromagnetic force. Shred a photo, shift the strips slightly, glue them back together, and suddenly one picture becomes 2 thanks to the hidden logic of pixels. Twist an empty bottle tightly, loosen the cap slowly, and the pressure sends it shooting off like a rocket. Drop an egg into plain water and it sinks, but stir in a bit of salt and the egg rises to float because the water becomes denser. Hold a metal ring above a chain, let it fall, give it a slight turn, and it locks itself perfectly onto the links. Science works in ways that feel unbelievable until you see them with your own eyes. This isn't magic, It's toothpaste in action. Scoop some toothpaste into a plastic box and add a little water. Slowly stir it until it turns smooth. Add a second squeeze of toothpaste, stir again, sprinkle just a pinch of salt, and mix it until it feels thick. Seal the box, place it in the fridge, and wait 2 days. When you open it, you get cool, stretchy crystal slime without any toxins. Now squeeze toothpaste into a cup. Pour in a bit of potassium permanganate and stir 21 times. 1, 2, 3. By the time you reach 21, the whole mixture bubbles up like warm chocolate coming alive. In another bowl, add lemon juice, then old toothpaste, mix it carefully, pour into a bottle, add a few drops of color, and a spoon of baking soda. It erupts like a tiny volcano right on your table. Cut a piece of plastic into a leaf shape, rub a little toothpaste on the back, place it on water, it shoots forward like a mini motorboat. Even a matchstick coated with toothpaste can light up after being soaked underwater. Everyday science, quietly hiding in places you never expect. Stand a coin upright on the table, balance a toothpick on top, cover it gently with a glass, then bring a balloon close from the outside. The toothpick begins to shift as static dances through the glass. Now pour pure water into one cup and soda water into another. Drop a piece of corn into each one and watch closely, because the corn sinks in pure water, but in soda water the bubbles grab it and lift it all the way up. Hang 2 grapes so they balance perfectly. Then slowly bring a magnet near them and the grapes push away as if the magnet offended them. Fill a bowl with warm water. Squeeze in a bit of your mom's shampoo, add a splash of your dad's glycerin, stir gently until it blends into a smooth mixture, then dip a straw in and blow. The bubbles come out thick, strong, shining, almost impossible to pop. Perfect for a whole day of play. Every tiny movement, every shift of breath brings these little experiments to life, showing you how real science hides in the simplest things. Shine a laser pointer through clear water and nothing appears. But add a little milk, stir it, and the beam suddenly becomes visible thanks to the Tyndall effect. Place a glass rod in water and it looks bent, but dip the same rod into cooking oil and it completely disappears because light travels through at almost the same speed. Add iodine to water and it turns cloudy. Drop in apple pieces and the liquid slowly clears again through a simple reduction reaction. Color both ends of a tissue strip. Place it in water, and a soft rainbow rises as capillary action pulls the dyes upward. Rub a plastic pen on a towel and a paper strip begins spinning from static electricity. Peel the reflective layer off an old CD with tape, warm it gently, and blow on it to turn it into a floating chain of bubbles. Science is everywhere when you know where to look. Stack coins on the table and tap the bottom coin with a butter knife. The lower coin shoots out instantly while the top coin drops straight down. A perfect example of inertia. Next, move a water-filled glass back and forth and watch the pattern behind it shift, almost like the world is bending, showing how convex and concave lenses distort light. Then, poke a small hole in a square wooden board, thread yarn through it, place a full cup of water in the center, and spin it hard. Unbelievably, the water refuses to spill thanks to centripetal force. Now cut a paper cup into 8 equal slices, fold them into shape, and suddenly you're holding a tiny flying saucer. A mini UFO ready for takeoff. Finally, make a water bag with plastic wrap, hold it under sunlight, aim the focused beam at a match, and after a moment, the match lights up by itself. That's the power of a natural convex lens concentrating heat.